Most people think building wealth is about earning more money, but many high-income earners stay broke, while others quietly build financial freedom over time. The difference often comes down to habits that almost nobody teaches. Let's start with number 7. Number 7. Buy time, not status. One of the biggest financial mistakes people make is spending money to impress people they don't even know. A nicer car, a more expensive phone, designer brands, luxury purchases that create the appearance of wealth. The problem is that appearance and wealth are not the same thing. Many people spend years chasing status while sacrificing the one thing that actually creates wealth: time. People who build wealth think differently. When they spend money, they often ask a simple question: will this give me more freedom in the future? Instead of purchasing things that make them look successful, they invest in things that save time, increase productivity, improve skills, or create opportunities. Because time compounds just like money. It's just an extra hour spent learning a valuable skill can eventually generate income for years. An hour wasted trying to impress others usually disappears forever. The wealthiest people often understand something most people overlook. Money can be earned again, time cannot. And once you understand the true value of time, you begin making financial decisions very differently. But that's only the beginning. Number 6. Create income before you need it. Most people only think about making more money when they feel financial pressure. A bill arrives, expenses increase, a job feels unstable. Suddenly, they start looking for additional income. The problem is that building new income streams takes time, and time is something you rarely have when you're under pressure. People who build wealth tend to think differently. They create opportunities before they need them. While their primary income is stable, they're already learning skills, building side projects, growing audiences, creating assets, or developing additional sources of revenue. They understand that financial security isn't created when a crisis happens. It's created long before one appears. Think about it. A tree planted today provides shade years later. Income works the same way. The best time to build an extra income source isn't when you're desperate. It's when you're comfortable. This habit creates something incredibly valuable. Options. If one source slows down, another remains. If an opportunity appears, they're prepared to take advantage of it. And over time, multiple income streams don't just increase earnings, they reduce financial stress. Because wealth isn't only about how much money comes in, it's also about how secure that income is. The strongest financial position is having choices. And the next habit helps people create those choices much faster than most. Number 5. Invest in skills that compound. Most purchases lose value over time. Cars depreciate. Gadgets become outdated. Trends disappear. But certain skills become more valuable year after year. And that's exactly why wealthy people often spend money differently than everyone else. Instead of asking, "What can I buy?" they ask, "What can I learn?" Skills are one of the few investments that nobody can take away from you. A person who learns sales can use that skill for decades. A person who learns communication becomes more effective in nearly every area of life. A person who learns business, technology, marketing, leadership, or problem solving creates opportunities that continue paying long after the learning is finished. What's fascinating is that skills compound. One skill helps you learn another. Knowledge connects with knowledge. Experience builds upon experience. Over time, the growth becomes exponential. Many people spend years searching for shortcuts to wealth. Meanwhile, others quietly develop abilities that make wealth easier to create. The highest return investment isn't always found in the stock market. Sometimes it's found in yourself, because the more valuable you become, the more opportunities naturally appear. And that leads directly to a habit that separates people who earn money from people who keep it. Number 4. Increase the gap between earning and spending. Most people focus heavily on increasing income. Very few pay equal attention to increasing the gap between income and expenses. And that gap changes everything. Imagine two people earning the same salary. One spends nearly everything they make. The other consistently keeps a portion of their income. A few years later, their financial situations can look completely different. The first person may appear wealthy, The second person may actually be wealthy. This is because wealth is often built in the space between earning and spending. Every dollar that isn't immediately consumed becomes a tool that can be invested, a tool that can create future opportunities, a tool that can eventually produce more money. The challenge is that lifestyle inflation constantly tries to shrink that gap. People get a raise, their spending rises, they earn more, their expenses grow even faster, and despite higher income, they never move forward. Wealth builders resist this trap. When income increases, they don't automatically increase spending by the same amount. Instead, they allow part of that increase to strengthen their future. The goal isn't extreme frugality, it's intentionality, because financial freedom is not determined by how much money passes through your hands. It's determined by how much you keep working for you after you've earned it. And the top 3 habits take this idea to an entirely different level. Number 3, think in decades, not months. One of the biggest reasons people struggle to build wealth is that they expect results too quickly. They want investments to double fast, businesses to succeed immediately, skills to pay off within weeks, and when that doesn't happen, they quit. Wealth builders understand something most people don't. Almost everything valuable takes longer than expected. A tree doesn't grow overnight. A successful business isn't built in a few months. A strong investment portfolio isn't created in a year. The biggest financial rewards usually come from consistency, not speed. That's why wealthy people often make decisions based on where those decisions will lead in 5, 10, or even 20 years. While others ask, what will this do for me this month? They ask, what will this become over time? This mindset changes everything. Small investments become meaningful. Small habits become life-changing. Small improvements become extraordinary. Because time magnifies whatever you repeatedly do. Most people underestimate what they can achieve in 10 years because they're too focused on what they can achieve in 10 weeks. The truth is that wealth often grows slowly at first and then suddenly appears to accelerate. People see the results. They rarely see the years of patience behind them, and patience becomes even more powerful when combined with the next habit. Because wealth isn't built by working harder forever. It's built by owning things that continue working when you're not. Number 2, build assets, not just income. Most people spend their entire lives focused on income. They work, they get paid, they spend. Then they repeat the cycle. The problem is that income usually stops when work stops. Assets work differently. An asset is something that can continue producing value long after the original effort has been made. It might be investments, a business, digital products, rental property, intellectual property, a website, an audience, or something else that generates ongoing returns. Wealth builders understand a powerful principle. Income pays the bills. Assets build freedom. That's why many financially successful people eventually shift their focus. Instead of constantly asking, how can I earn more money? They begin asking, how can I own something that grows in value? The difference may seem small, but it completely changes the game. Every asset becomes a financial employee working on your behalf. One asset may not seem significant, but multiple assets working together can create momentum that becomes difficult to stop. Over time, assets generate more income. That income acquires more assets, and the cycle begins accelerating. This is one of the biggest reasons some people continue building wealth while others remain trapped, exchanging time for money forever. But the most important wealth-building habit isn't actually about money. It's about something even more powerful. Your ability to delay gratification. Number 1. Learn to ignore immediate rewards. If there is one habit that quietly sits behind almost every wealth-building success story, it's this: the ability to sacrifice a small reward today for a much larger reward tomorrow. This sounds simple, but it may be one of the hardest skills a person can develop. Your brain loves immediate gratification. It wants comfort now, entertainment now, pleasure now, results now, and modern life constantly encourages this mindset. One-click purchases, instant delivery, instant entertainment, instant satisfaction. The problem is that wealth is usually built through delayed gratification, saving instead of spending, investing instead of consuming, learning instead of scrolling, building instead of showing off. These decisions rarely feel exciting in the moment. In fact, they often feel boring. That's why so few people consistently make them. The wealthy aren't necessarily smarter, they aren't always luckier, but many of them become exceptionally good at thinking beyond the present moment. They understand that every financial decision carries two prices: the money you spend today and the future opportunity you give up by spending it. When you begin seeing both prices, your decision-making changes. You stop chasing every impulse. You become more intentional, more patient, more strategic. And over time, those seemingly small choices create a massive gap between people who earn money and people who build wealth. Because at its core, wealth is not just a money game, it's a behavior game. And the people who master their habits eventually put themselves in a position where money starts working harder than they do.